Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So, look at our face. I have an abscess tooth and they're going to pull it Monday. Today is Friday. I'm on a lot of drugs and medication, so please excuse anything that may come out of my mouth inappropriate. Okay, so I'm just going to use some face wipes and go to town and talk about. So I got the Natasha Denona Glam palette, the Glam face palette, the one that has some shadows and a bronzer and a blush. And I got the light one. They didn't have the dark one available, but because I would have bought both. And this is just one of my Sephora hauls. So I used it one day this week. Amazing. Like, I just loved the look. Turned out beautifully. Very easy, simple, because I wasn't diving into 500 things. The camera's gonna go. Oh, my dogs have managed to tear up the whole house. Sorry. To include my cameras. Oh, like, does she brush her hair? Not much. All right, we're just gonna get this kind of out of our face. And yeah, so, and I have been wearing some foundation, which I believe is why I'm breaking out so bad, but I think it's necessary. I don't really care for it, but I do think it's necessary. Whoa, what is she doing with that hair? That's crazy. So anyways, yes, this is the palette I picked up, and I got it during the VIP sale. So you see there's actually, it's a blush and a highlighter, not a bronzer. So that's okay. We'll just use another one of our bronzers. And we may use my Natasha Denona foundation, which is more like a summer foundation for me, but it is lovely, lovely. Worth every penny. Okay, so let's moisturize our face some, and then we can get into these products and love them to death. I'm building a trash pile on the floor. Talia's not here, so it's no worry to anyone. Yeah. First, I'm gonna spray this Tower 28 on my face. Kind of like a toner, sort of. Hell, I don't know what it is, but I like it. What a mess. What a mess. My tooth. I can't believe it. I always have these problems. Problem after problem. So, I think that's why I've been having headaches so bad this week too. Sometimes I just get bad headaches. But I've been having some really bad headaches. Okay. Now that we have fanned off with our fan from Erica, we are gonna put some primer on as soon as I can find the one I want and like. Now, okay, we're gonna use this little one. This is my Makeup Forever Shine Control Step 1. I got it in something. Probably in my last Sephora box. So when I went into Sephora, our big Sephora's in Richmond. I went to Richmond. They didn't have a lot of the stuff. And I don't know if I opened my Patrick Top palette with you guys, but it came all broken up. Everywhere, hot mess. So I go, and I got it a while ago. I go to Sephora to do the sale and exchange shit, because I always thought at Sephora you had up to 12 months to return. 90 days, friends. 90 days. Uh-oh. 90 days. And I'm okay with that. I just missed the 90 days. They were good to me. I won't lie. They were very good to me, and took the exchange because it was hideous. It wasn't like I exchanged it because I didn't like it. It was a hot mess. All right. So I am going to spray my sponge because I don't like them like soaking wet. If you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah. So I did that on, I think it was Saturday. No, it was Sunday maybe. Shit, I don't remember. But I picked up some other things in the store, but then I had to order some of the things that I wanted because like the Metropolis Mini was not there. I was like, dude, what? She's like, yeah, we haven't got that yet. I'm like, what? Maybe it's one of those only online things. Oh, please excuse me while I whimper as I get close to my jaw. Oh. So anyhow, I'm trying to get all my videos out that I filmed and film some more because I miss it. I miss you guys. Look how that is not my skin color at all. Golly day. Yeah. We're gonna have to do something about that. So, I know I've got a bunch of makeup on my face. It's not even. What is my problem? Let's beat your face. Just gently. Okay. Please ignore the two-tone, but this is a wonderful foundation. I got it on sale at Sephora. It was on the sale thing when, I don't know how they turned that thing over, monthly, weekly, whatever. All right, now I'm gonna go into some, this is my Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer. We're gonna pounce that out. It's very light. I never do this anymore. I never do all these steps. So that's why I'm like, a little bit too white. But it won't matter in a minute. It won't. Drinking iced tea. So my sister works at a grocery store. And I called her to tell her that they had scheduled my surgery. And she's like, yeah, I saw the Coke guy yesterday. Now, everybody on here knows I'm addicted to Diet Coke, right? So, she said, talk to the Diet Coke guy. And by the end of the year, there won't be any on the shelves. Do what? She said, yeah, I asked him if it was a shortage of the 10, which that happened during COVID. And he said, no, it's just, what did he tell her? Oh, it's a shortage. There's something with the carbonation. I'm like, what? What? Like, I'm ready to go. If I felt it better than I feel right now, my tail would be over at the Food Lion buying every can they got. I would. Do you know why? Because we drink a lot of Diet Coke here. But what didn't make sense about that was there's bottles on the shelf. I think my sister's just messing with me. I think she likes to torture me sometimes, just for the hell of it. Okay, that was my Chantecaille face powder. I'm going in with my under eye blurring. This is my Pat McGrath, and it's just amazing. I love it. I love it. Do you love it? I love it a lot. Do you like it? I like it a lot. Are you sure? I like it a lot. I know you guys are like, what's wrong with her? She's being weird today. I'm on drugs. Just ignore me. Like, this stuff is amazing. I love it. They say the loose powder, the Chantecaille loose powder, is amazing as well. But I think the compact is just fine. All right. So let's put up some of this foundation, because we got a lot of foundation now. You can't use it all at one time. And if I don't put it back where it belongs, I never find it. I don't think it's going to fit. But, oh guys, I really, really want to buy one of the, I can't think of it. The sleigh station from whatever it is. I think my husband would kill me. I'm pretty certain he would. But God, I need the storage. He just doesn't understand. Like, boy, you don't understand. You don't understand. All right. So I'm going to use my guirlande because I have like 2 other guirlands in my drawer. On my bronzer. You said you're going to use it on your bronzer? Yes, I am. I'm going to use it on my bronzer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm going to have to clean up that neck. It's bad. If I find this foundation on sale again, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy a lighter color for the winter. Ugh. Okay, so now we're going to go into this Natasha Denona. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I love how she covers up certain things in the palette as well. Okay, so the blush is a cream. Beautiful. I have like a little stippling brush. I have managed to lose so many brushes. I don't know how I've done it. Oh well. And then we're gonna go into the highlighter. It's just I tell you, I just felt really refreshed when I wore this the other day. And everybody was like, what makeup do you have on? And I was like, go get this palette. Yes, it's from an expensive brand, but go get this palette. It's amazing. You won't regret it. All right, I'm just going to use one of my Sigma brushes. And I'm going to go... So I stayed closer to this end before. I think I'm going to darken it up a little bit. So let's just get in here with this. And see how we do. See how we do. So much stuff going on. It's like one thing, you solve one problem, and another one pops up. Yeah. I got this spot on my eye. It always picks up dark, like right there. Oh, well. We'll get it straight. We will get it straight. Trust me, this brush making it difficult for me. I'll go in and blend with another one in a little bit because I may add more. So when I was at Sephora, I was like picking up stuff because I never get to go to the store. Not unless I'm in DC or somewhere traveling. Oh my God. Like, I'm picking up stuff and I've gone to check out and she's asking me, I don't have the receipt, I just have my online thing about when I purchased the palette, the Petrota. And like, I make a lot of Sephora orders. Let's just be honest about it. And I was like, I don't know. And then I scroll down and I see some palettes and I'm like, I don't remember buying those. I don't even know where they're at. But I don't need to buy them again because they were in my little buggy, my little hand basket. I'm like, I am so embarrassed. The girl that was ringing me up, though, she was so cute. She was like, ma'am, maybe you have too much. Blasphemy, there's never too much. Right? Right. Okay. We are just getting it on. That can go in here. That does not belong there. We're not part of this. I thought I had some Natasha Denona lipstick, but it's, who knows where it is. It's a whole nother problem. I'm gonna use some of my melted latex from Too Faced. And I really, like, this is like an effortless look to me. If I get another notification from Trend Mood, well, Susan, I don't know what you're doing, but you're not doing it well. Yeah, I thought that little girl was so cute when she said, maybe you have too much. I was looking around like, is my husband here? No, I don't go to Sephora with him. He hates Sephora. He, like, truly hates it. He'll give me a $100 bill and say, this is for Sephora. He won't even go buy a gift card. Not doing it. He's crazy. If you only knew how much money I spent there. One time my sister-in-law let it out of the bag. Thank you, Katina. She was like, he was like, well, how much do you have to spend to be this? And she goes, she says, and I'm like, hello? He don't need to know all that. All right, guys. So, just gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. All right, that is my look with this Natasha Denona palette. Like I said, this is the light. The dark, it wasn't that much different to me. So I was fine with just getting one, as I should be. All right, ladies, gentlemen, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.